Enzyme recombinase is required at which stage of meiosis? First option packaging, second is zygote, and third is diplotin, fourth is dikinesis. In packaging, the recombinase enzyme is required. So correct answer is A. Which one of the following is not the function of placenta? Placenta is a structural and functional unit which form in the embryo and connected by the mother body. First option secrete oxytocin during parturition. Second is facilitate supply of oxygen and nutrients to embryo. Third is secrete estrogen. Fourth is facilitate removal of CO2 and waste material from embryo. These all are the function of placenta, but secretion of oxytocin during parturition is not a function of placenta. So correct answer is A. Are not associated with. First option uphill transport. Second is transport from lower concentration to higher concentration. Third is direct or indirect ATP consumption. Fourth is not selective nature. These all are associated with pump protein, but not selective nature is not associated with pump protein. So correct answer is D. Which of the following are not membrane bound? First option mesosome, second is vacuoles, third is ribosome, and fourth is lysosome. Ribosome which do not have membrane bounded structure. So correct answer is C. Which of the following is site of photolysis of water? Photo means light, lysis means breakdown. First option stroma of chloroplast, second is cristae of chloroplast, third is ribosome of chloroplast, fourth is lumen surface of thylakoid membrane. Photolysis of water take place in the lumen surface of thylakoid membrane. So correct answer is G. Estrogen is used to avoid pregnancy because first option prevent fertilization, second is prevents ovulation and implantation, third is inhibit sperm motility, fourth is form cervical pulp. Estrogen is used to avoid the pregnancy because it prevents the ovulation and implantation. Ovulations means release of ovum, and implantation means attachment of blastocyst to the uterus wall. So correct answer is B. Largest internal organ of the body is first option is skin, second is liver, and third is pancreas, fourth is small intestine. Liver is the largest internal organ of the body. So correct answer is B. What is the figure given below showing particular? This is the diagram. First option is trabeculotomy, second is vesicotomy, third is ovarian cancer, fourth is uterine cancer. This is a diagram of trabeculotomy in which a small portion of fallopian tube will be cut and tightly binded, which were used in females. So correct answer is A. Which does not occurs in prophase? First option decondensation of chromatin, second is condensation of chromatin, third is appearances of chromosome, fourth is disappearances of nuclear membrane and nucleolus. Decondensation of chromatin will not take place during the prophase. So correct answer is A. Common cold is not cured by antibiotic because it is first option not an infectious disease, second is caused by viruses, third is caused by gram positive bacteria, fourth is caused by gram negative bacteria. Common cold is not cured by antibiotic because it is caused by the viruses. So correct answer is B. What is the characteristic of tapetum? First is it store food, second is it is multinucleated. Third is it is multi-layered structure. Fourth is it nourishes the megaspore. Tapetum is multinucleated. Multinucleated means which have more than one nucleus. And tapetum has more than one nucleus. So correct answer is B. What is common between vegetative reproduction and apomixis? Vegetative reproduction means formation of plant from the parent's body or any explant, and apomixis mean formation of seed without fertilization. First option, both produces progeny identical to the parent. Second is both are applicable to dicot plants. Third is both bypass the flowering phases. Fourth is both occur round the year. Both produce progeny identical to the parents, which are common in vegetative reproduction and apomixis. So correct answer is A. Cell theory was proposed by first option a botanist, second is a zoologist, and third is a botanist and zoologist. Fourth is a psychologist. Cell theory was given by botanist and zoologist. Botanist is Sliden and zoologist is Swan. So correct answer is C. Match the column and identify the correct option. Column 1 and column 2. These all are the option. Thylakoid is flat membrane sac in stroma, and cristae is enfolding in the mitochondria, and cristinae is disc-shaped sac in Golgi complex. Chromatin is condensed structure in DNA. So correct answer is 3. The coconut water from tender coconut tree present. First option endocarp, second is fleshy mesocarp, third is free nuclear proembryo, and fourth is free nuclear endosperm. The coconut water from tender coconut is known as free nuclear endosperm. So correct answer is D. During mitosis, endoplasmic reticulum and nucleolus begin to disappear at first option early prophase, second is late prophase, third is early metaphase, and fourth is late metaphase. During mitosis, endoplasmic reticulum and nucleolus begin disappear at the late prophase. So correct answer is B. Embryo with more than 16 blastomer formed due to in vitro fertilization is transferred into first option fimbriae, second is cervix, and third is uterus, fourth is fallopian tube. Embryo with more than 16 blastomer are transferred into the uterus. So correct answer is C. As the following, column 1 and column 2. We have to match column 1 by the column 2. Salivary gland. Salivary gland secrete the saliva, and stomach is secrete the gastric juice. Pancreas secretes the trypsinogen, and intestine secrete the trypsin. Gallbladder secrete the bile pigment. So correct answer is second. Which of the following is a hormone releasing intrauterine device IUD? First option multilode 375, second is LNG20, third is cervical cap, and fourth is wall. Multilode 375 is a copper releasing IUD. LNG20 is a hormone releasing IUD. Cervical cap and wart is a type of barrier made by rubber latex. So correct answer is B. Albuminous seed is produced in first option maize, second is castor, and third is wheat, fourth is pea. Non-albuminous seed is the seed which can completely consumed during embryonic development. These three are maize, castor and beet are albuminous seed. Which do not consumed during embryonic development. So P is a non-albuminous seed. Correct answer is D. The net direction and rate of osmosis depends on. Osmosis means flow of water from higher concentration to lower concentration. First option is pressure gradient, second is concentration gradient, and third is both A and B, fourth is equilibrium. The net direction and rate of osmosis depends on pressure gradient and concentration gradient. So correct answer is C. In human adult female oxytocin, first option is stimulate pituitary to secrete vasopressin, second is causes strong uterine contraction during parturition, third is secreted by anterior pituitary, fourth is stimulate growth of mammary gland. Oxytocin hormone causes strong uterine contraction during parturition. Parturition means delivery of baby. So correct answer is B. Which one of the following is not considered as part of endomembrane system? First option lysosome, second is Golgi complex, and third is peroxisome, fourth is vacuole. Lysosome, Golgi complex and vacuoles are the part of endomembrane system. But peroxisome is not considered as the endomembrane system. So correct answer is C. Which of the following is longest phase of the cell cycle? First option prophase, second is interphase, and third is telophase, fourth is M-phase. Interphase is the longest phase of the cell cycle. In this phase, the cell start preparing themselves for division. So correct answer is B. Filiform apparatus is a characteristic features of first option egg, second is synergid, and third is zygote, fourth is suspensor. Filiform apparatus is a finger-like projection which is formed near the synergid. And function of filiform apparatus is to guide the pollen grain. So correct answer is B. During gamete formation, the enzyme recombinase participates during first option prophase 1, second is prophase 2, and third is metaphase 1, and fourth is anaphase 1. During gamete formation, the enzyme recombinase participate during the prophase 1. So correct answer is A. The signals for parturition originate from. Parturition is delivery of baby. First option fully developed fetus, second is placenta, third is placenta as well as fully developed fetus, fourth is oxytocin released from maternal pituitary. The signal for parturition originate from placenta as well as fully developed fetus. So correct answer is C. Ectopic pregnancies are referred to as first option pregnancies terminated due to hormonal imbalance. Second is pregnancies with genetic abnormality. Third is implantation of embryo at site other than uterus. Fourth is implantation of defective embryo in the uterus. Ectopic pregnancy is the pregnancy when implantation of the embryo at the site other than the uterus. So correct answer is C. Identify the meiotic stage in which the homologous chromosome separate while the sister chromatin remain associated at their centrosome. First option anaphase 1, second is anaphase 2 and third is metaphase 1, fourth is metaphase 2. In anaphase 1, the homologous chromosome separate while the sister chromatin remain associated to their centrosome. So correct answer is A. Which one of the following is resistant to enzymes action? First option pollen-exin, second is leaf cuticle, third is cork and fourth is wood fibers. Exin is outer layer of pollen grain which is resistant to enzyme action. So correct answer is A. Sexual phases, that is gametocide of plasmodium occurs in first option liver cells of women, second is RBC of women and third is intestine of mosquito, fourth is salivary gland of mosquito. Plasmodium can cause the malaria disease. Sexual phase of plasmodium occur in the RBC of women. So correct answer is B. Which of the following contraceptive makes uterus unsuitable for implantation? First option CUT, second is CU7 and third is multilode 375, fourth is progestin. CUT, CU7 and multilode 375 is A. Copper releasing IUD and progestin is hormone releasing IUD. Progestin make the uterus unsuitable for implantation. So correct answer is D. Motile zygote of plasmodium occurs in. Plasmodium can cause the malaria disease. First option human RBC, second is human liver, third is gut of female anopheles and fourth is salivary gland of anopheles. Motile zygote of plasmodium occur in the gut of female anopheles mosquito. So correct answer is C. Chromosomal movement in anaphase occur with the help of. Anaphase is the phase in which chromatid move toward the opposite pole. First option astral rays, second is centrioles, third is north, fourth is spindle fiber. Chromosomal movement in anaphase occur with the help of spindle fibers. So correct answer is D. Important site for formation of glycoprotein and glycolipid is first option vacuole, second is Golgi complex, third is plastid and fourth is lysosome. Golgi complex help in the formation of glycoprotein and glycolipid. So correct answer is B. Tree plant, the first stable product of photosynthesis during the dark reaction is first option phosphoglycerol aldehyde, second is malic acid, third is oxaloacetic acid, fourth is 3-phosphoglyceric acid. 3-phosphoglyceric acid is a stable product of C3 plant. So correct answer is D. Use of antihistamines and steroid give quick relief from first option headache, second is allergy and third is nausea, fourth is cough. Antihistamine and steroid is a type of drug which are used to reduce the symptoms of allergy. So correct answer is B. The initial step in the digestion of milk in women is carried out by first option lipase, second is trypsin, third is renin and fourth is pepsin. Renin is the enzyme which help in the digestion of milk. Renin is a type of prolytic enzyme which is present in the infants for the digestion of milk protein. So correct answer is C. Which of the following is pair of viral diseases? First option typhoid tuberculosis, second is ringworm AIDS, third is common cold AIDS and fourth is dysentery common cold. Typhoid is caused by bacteria and tuberculosis is also caused by bacteria. Ringworm is caused by fungi AIDS is caused by virus. Common cold is caused by virus. AIDS is also caused by virus. Dysentery is caused by bacteria. Common cold is caused by virus. So correct answer is C. The coconut water and the edible part of coconut are equivalent to first option mesocarp, second is endosperm, third is embryo and fourth is endocarp. Endosperm is the equivalent part of the coconut water and coconut. So correct answer is B. In the stomach, gastric acid is secreted by first option gastrin secreting cell, second is parietal cell and third is peptic cell, fourth is acidic cell. In stomach, gastric acid is secreted by the parietal cell. So correct answer is B. Glycan capsule is associated with. Glycan capsule is present in liver. Liver have two lobes which is covered by Glycan capsule. First option liver, second is pancreas, third is lungs and fourth is kidney. Correct answer is liver. Over small distance substance move by first option diffusion, second is cytoplasmic streaming and third is mass flow and fourth is both A and B. Over small distance substance is moved by the help of diffusion and cytoplasmic streaming. So correct answer is D. Cell-mediated immunity inside the human body is carried out by first option erythrocyte, second is T lymphocytes and third is B lymphocyte, fourth is thrombocyte. Erythrocyte is also known as RBC. T lymphocyte help to make the antibody. B lymphocyte make the antibody. Thrombocyte is also known as platelets. The cell-mediated immunity inside the human body is carried out by the T lymphocyte. So correct answer is B. Given below is a dramatic sketch of portion of human male reproductive system. Select the correct set of the names of the parts labeled A, B, C, D. This is a diagram of male reproductive system. These all are the options. First A is vas deferens and B is seminal vesicle, C is prostate gland and D is bulbourethral gland. So correct answer is 3. Match column 1 with column 2 and select the correct answer. This is a column 1 and this is a column 2. We have to match column 1 by the column 2. These all are the options. Packaging is, in packaging stage gene exchange will take place and in zygote synapses will occur and in diploid chiasma visible, means chiasmata will be visible, and in liptote is also known as bouquet stage, and in dikinesis terminalization of chromosome will take place. So correct answer is second. Hepatic portal system start from first option digestive system to liver, second is kidney to liver, third is liver to a heart and fourth is liver to kidney. Hepatic portal system start from digestive system to liver. So correct answer is A. After pollination, viability of pollen grains of wheat, rice is about first option 30 minutes, second is 60 minutes and third is 70 minutes, fourth is 90 minutes. The viability period of wheat and rice is 30 minutes. So correct answer is A. HIV that causes AIDS. First start destroy. First option B lymphocytes, second is leukocyte and third is thrombocyte and fourth is helper T lymphocyte. B lymphocyte make the antibody. Leukocyte is also known as WBC. Thrombocytes is known as platelets. HIV that cause AIDS first start destroy the helper T lymphocyte. So correct answer is D. For every CO2 molecule entering the Calvin cycle, required energy is first option 3 ATP and 2 NADPH. Second is 2 ATP and 3 NADPH. Third is 3 ATP and 3 NADPH. Fourth is 2 ATP and 2 NADPH. For every CO2 molecule entering the Calvin cycle, the energy is required 3 ATP and 2 NADPH. So correct answer is A. Wind pollinated flowers are first option is small, producing nectar and dry pollen. Second is small, brightly colored, producing large number of pollen grain. Third is small, producing large number of dry pollen grains. And fourth is large, producing abundant nectars and pollen. Wind pollination flower are small, producing large number of dry pollen grains. So correct answer is C. Pollen tablets are available in the market for first option in vitro fertilization, second is breeding programs, third is supplementing food, and fourth is HC2 conservation. Pollen tablets are available in the market for the purpose of providing the supplementing food. So correct answer is C. At metaphases, chromosomes are attached to the spindle fiber by their first option centriosome, second is satellites, and third is secondary body, fourth is kinetochores. In metaphase, all the chromosomes are arranged in the equatorial plate, which are attached spindle fiber by the help of kinetochores. So correct answer is D. Cotyledon of maize grain is called. Cotyledon is a part which we can eat. First option plumule, second is coelurhiza, and third is coleoptile, and fourth is scutellum. Plumule will develop into shoot. Coelurhiza is the radical covering which further develop into root, and coleoptile is the covering of plumule. Cotyledon of the maize is known as scutellum. So correct answer is D. One of the synthetic auxin is first option IAA, second is IBA, and third is GA, and fourth is NAA. NAA is naphthalene acetic acid, which is a type of synthetic auxin. So correct answer is D. Gastric juice of infants contains first option nuclease, pepsinogen and lipase. Second is pepsinogen, lipase, renin. Third is amylase, renin, pepsinogen. And fourth is maltase, pepsinogen, renin. Gastric juice of infant contain pepsinogen, lipase and renin. So correct answer is B. The translocation of organic solutes in seed tube membrane is supported by first option mass flow involving a carrier and ATP. Second is cytoplasmic streaming. Third is root pressure and transpiration pull. Fourth is P protein. The translocation of organic solute in a seed tube membrane is supported by mass flow involving a carrier and a ATP. So correct answer is A. Which one of the fruits is parthenocarpic? Parthenocarpic is the fruit which develop without fertilization. Means formation of fruit without fertilization is known as parthenocarpic fruit. First option banana, second is brinjal, and third is apple, fourth is jackfruit. Banana is a parthenocarpic fruit. So correct answer is A. The testes in human are situated outside the abdominal cavity, inside a pouch called scrotum. The purpose served is for first option maintaining the scrotal temperature lower than the internal body temperature. Second is escaping any possible compression by the visual organ. Third is providing more space for growth of epididymis. Fourth is providing a secondary sexual feature for exhibiting the male sex. Testes need 2 to 2.5 degrees Celsius for the formation of sperm. So, Testes are situated inside the pouch is known as scrotum to maintaining the scrotal temperature lower than the internal body temperature. So correct answer is A. Root pressure develops due to first option increase in transpiration, second is active absorption, third is low osmotic potential in soil, and fourth is passive absorption. Root pressure develops due to active absorption by the use of energy. So correct answer is B. Which one of the following statement is wrong? First option, pollen grain is some plant remain viable for month. And second is entine is made up of cellulose and pectin. Third is when pollen is set at two cell stage, double fertilization do not take place. Fourth is vegetative cell is larger than generative cell. This statement is correct and this statement is also correct. Entine is the pollen grain inner layer which is made by cellulose and pectin. But this statement is wrong because when pollen grain is set at two cell state, double fertilization take place and vegetative cell is larger than generative cell. This statement is also correct. So we have to tell about the wrong statement. C statement is wrong. So correct answer is C.